In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2020 Nissan Sentra. First, we lift the car a little bit. These are the 10 mm screws which we need to take out along with the fender liner side. I'm using impact gun to take out 10 mm screws, but you can use a round head ratchet if you want. Since we took out screws from underneath fender liner, this enables us to push fender liner and we can take out that one 10 mm screw. We slightly pull the bumper. Since this side had an accident, that's the reason why half piece is already gone. But in the perfect world, if you're trying to take out this bumper, you just follow the same steps I showed you earlier in this video. It's the exact same stuff with no difference. It's like comparing your one leg with the other. Assuming we also took out the other side, now we jump on the top part. There were some straightforward clips that we took out using the door upholstery remover. We slightly pulled the bumper and I realized the plug for the fog lamp also needs to be taken out. That was it. We ended up taking out the front bumper of 2020 Nissan Sentra.